Hi, teachers and classmates. In 5 years, I am still going to be working in the occupational health and safety area, specifically in the one of the best companies in the electrical power maintenance and construction. I am also going to finishing my master degree in occupational hazards. Regarding my personal life, I am going to buy my one house car. I will stay close to my family and my friends, and I am going to be more confident in my decision making. I will enjoy all the achievements I have obtained during the 2 years. Finally, I am participating or going to participate actively in my church to help people who are going through difficult situations, just like I did. Thanks.